What's up, guys? This is Michael back here. I'm about to do a video. Why not? Probably wondering what kind of video are you gonna do? Let's just say bike vlog. It's a beautiful day today. It's a nice sunny day. Look at that sun. I live in Tennessee, by the way, and it's like super nice today. Like, dang. It was like sunny, like it was just like snowing the other day, and now it's like sunny and shit. I'm thinking about fucking I don't know how it's this nice. It's like it's warm, but you can feel the cold still. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I'm thinking. Alright. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Look at this road, son. This is how you do it. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you ride the mountain bike. Oh, I'm out of shape. I haven't rode a bike like this in a while.